guys, what's going on? All right, so today, I didn't think I would ever do anything like this, but you know how I show you different places, different stores and stuff? Well, we have a new thing that's kind of hot in the town that I live in. They're like soap stores. That's what they are. They're soap stores. And there was only one in town that was really good, and a competitor just came. So we're gonna do Soap Wars today. We're gonna go take a look at this one we're at right now. I haven't been to, so this is the new one. And then I will take you to the one that Tammy and I normally go to, and we'll talk about the pros and the cons and everything else. But it's these stores are kind of cool. It's kind of like you never thought, oh, Bed Bath & Beyond would be anything, but you know, they get some cool scents in there, and they got some cool smelling soap in this place too. It's like a bakery for soap. They do it. I don't know if they make it here. The other place, they bake their soap right on the premises, and there's a lot of pluses to it. So let me take you inside and show you around and talk about all that, okay? Okay guys, first place we're checking out, it's called the Soap Factory, and it's been open, how long has it been open, honey? About a few weeks?
No, it's been open for about a month.
About a month. All right, they're open right now, and if you want to check this place out and you live here in Hendersonville, it's on the streets of Indian Lake. And if you don't know where that is, well, you don't live in Hendersonville. I promise you, if you live in Hendersonville, you know what that is. There's the movie theater right over there. So let's go in. Okay, sweetie, it smells really good in here.
It smells really good.
I mean,
it smells good.
Yeah. Now these are just your bath bombs,
Those are
right?
bath bombs. These, yeah.
Okay. So they got brushes, bath bombs, and what are these bottles up here? Those are salt?
Yeah, salt
for your
bath. Yep, bath salts.
All right. Gosh, it smells really good in here. And they got little scrunchies up here in the buckets. And over here they got more bath bombs.
These are shower steamers.
What are those?
Shower steamers. You put them in your shower on the bottom, and it's kind of the same, but it kind of like it brings the oils and everything up.
Wow. So let me get this straight. So you drop that in the shower and don't pick it up?
Yeah. No.
So that is soap you put on the floor of the shower. Are we getting one?
No. No, I'm gonna look at.
Hey, why not?
Look.
I want to steam. All right, that's
Here's
fine.
a sinus bomb. Look at that. How about that?
That's for sinuses?
Yeah, sinus.
Look that must be a popular one because they're all sold out. You did the last one. So what is this right here?
So that's you scan and you get a free bar of soap.
Oh, got it. Very cool. Smells good in here. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, so there's all your more salt baths. And what are these things here, honey?
Hold on, wait.
What? Did I forget something? Oh, look at those sponges back there. Tammy?
Huh?
So sponges back there behind the sign?
Yeah, that's just for decoration.
Oh. It is? Are
Yeah.
you excited about decoration?
Yeah, bubble truffles. These are like for bubble baths.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Those are for like bubble baths.
That's volcano for bubble baths. They look like little ice cream scoops.
Yeah. This is how they come boxed typically.
How cute. Okay, I didn't know there was soap for bubble baths. What are these?
These say shampoo bars.
Smell good?
No.
No? Oh. Well, everything smells kind of good in here. I like the decor. I like the
rustic look.
rustic look. It looks kind of cool. And then the scales and all that. So we don't know what these are for?
Those are for shampoo. Shampoo bars.
Oh my gosh, that smells really good. Bring that over here. Let me see. What smell is that?
I don't know. It's not labeled.
Oh, they got socks too. I have a sock at home that I use with my soap from the other place. So what are these things here? They look like, what's up here? What are those?
This is like for you to scrub for like dry skin.
Oh, what is this? Is that decoration?
That's a sponge. Like
You said that was decoration when I looked at it.
over there was. These are those.
Oh, so these are natural sea sponges. Interesting. And what's this thing here, honey?
That's for massaging.
Oh, do you want one of those? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, is that for shaving? Wow. I don't think guys know how to use that anymore. With the brush and the cup and everything. It's kind of old school. Hey, are these bristles soft? No, they're hard.
But I don't feel them.
Okay, just curious. Wait, is this laundry soap?
Yeah, this is laundry soap.
Guys, they have laundry soap.
And
Is
they
that
have liquid ones too.
they have liquid and powder? Okay. She's gonna tell us how she thinks.
Those are good. That's lemongrass.
Is it good?
Yeah,
Lemongrass? Okay. So they do make them on the premises. There's their bars right there. It's their whole little factory back there where they make everything, I guess.
And that's all the ones that they have ready
It's,
to make.
those are ready to get packaged and brought out. Okay, I gotcha. Well, are we getting anything to try?
We'll scan and get a free soap. Because then when we get in the bathroom, I'm going to get a pumice stone.
It's a pumice stone?
It's to scrub your dead skin on your feet. And
Got
your
it.
feet. So,
Hey, what's over there?
more oils, more lamps.
What's this stuff here?
These are like the lamp warmers.
I
Those
want-
snaps, those are oils.
I want love spell.
No.
What? Lavender? You want lavender?
We have that.
Oh, we already have it at home.
Yeah, but
So what are these things?
these are like your warmers.
Oh, these are diffusers, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. So we're getting to holistic stuff over here. Soap factory the other day, buy a candle warmer and get a free wax smell. I don't think that the place has this stuff.
No, they don't.
Wow. They're gonna have to pick up their game. That's a cool looking bottle. Okay guys, this whole video is about that bottle. I don't know what was in that bottle, but it's cool looking. So this whole area is aromatherapy. Got it.
So we just got to pouring the yellow portion of it, and so it actually starts generating a lot of heat. So we can't put the blue on top until this settles enough so that blue don't fall through it.
Right.
So as soon as this gets to the right texture, we're going to mix that blue. That'll go in here as well. So when we cut it, it'll be, of course, it'll be a bar. At the bottom will be yellow, on top will be blue. So we're going to take basically all proceeds from that, and it's going to go to charity. We're going to put it on our social media, let them pick out which charities they want to support. We probably pick up like 3 different charities.
Right.
So $5 out of the $7 bar will go to charity. So basically, it's enough
Wow.
to cover our costs. And
Yeah, I get it.
But it's not going to be just a small percent. It's going to be
The-
the whole
yeah,
everything,
the
anything we
profit,
can
yeah.
make off of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go to that. So we want to be a store that has a monthly charity anyway. So we thought, what best way to kickstart the charity process than with this particular one? So we're going to start this. So like these are here probably available in another couple of days, you know. So we'll get
Really?
it out, we'll get it posted and everything.
So what are they called? Charity bars or something?
Well,
or?
we have a charity soap. You know, as far as
Yeah.
the store's concerned, this right here we haven't really given it a name yet, but like Ukraine Strong or something like that. I think there's a couple of names out there. We'll probably stick with one of those.
Got
but
it.
it's in some of our top fragrances that we have in our store.
Right.
So the fragrances are already great that we're selling. Matter of fact, our top 2 fragrances.
Yeah.
We put into these bars. That
Nice.
People say again, it's for the reason, but they'll smell good too.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
So, yeah. So anyway, hopefully that turns out good. We weren't sure what the feedback would be. We don't want to be any kind of opportunist by any
No,
means.
but-
No.
But that's why we're giving away every single penny,
Yeah.
except just to figure out the cost of it. And we'll go to that.
Okay, guys, we just got back home from the soap place, and I got to tell you, the owner's amazing. The soap factory owner. We talked so long that we almost missed the movie we were going to the streets for. So, great guy. He's got some good plans. He also has the essential oils, so he has a lot of holistic stuff. If you're into natural things, I don't recall the other one. We'll take a look, see if they have anything like it, but I don't think they do. So I just want to kind of comment on the soap factory. I'm giving them a solid A. There isn't anything in that building that there was nothing missing. They had the bath bombs, they had the fizzles, shower fizzles, they had the socks to put your soap in, they had the bars of soap, they definitely get an A because they even had the holistic stuff, which was like essential oils and that kind of thing, and diffusers and all that stuff. So congratulations to them. They got a great start going. What? Oh, they do? I didn't know that. I must have missed that. They have candles too. They're like a Bath and Body Works and a soap shop. So, yeah, congrats to them. But right now, well, not now, but the next video, we're going to check out the other place, and we'll give you the full introduction. We'll tell you everything we love, everything we wish they had, all that stuff. We'll tell them. We'll take a look at everything. They're very close, both places. So we'll see how they do, and we'll check it out. All right.